Welcome to Math Mantra. In today's class, we are going to see Class 6, Chapter 3, Playing with Numbers, Exercise 3.2, Part 1. The first question: what's the sum of any two A odd numbers, B even numbers? The answer is the sum of any two odd numbers is even. How we are able to see? We just see few examples, then we'll get to know. So let's add 5 is odd number, 3 is odd number. Let's add 5 and 3. So we are going to get 8. And 15 plus 13, it is equals to 28. So when you're adding two odd numbers, you're going to obtain the even number. The sum of any two even numbers is odd. Sorry. The sum of any two even numbers is even number. So let's see the example. Let's take 4 and 8. Let's add it. 4 plus 8, it is 12, and 12 plus 28, it is 40. State whether the following statements are true or false. The sum of three odd numbers is even. So here, how we can say whether it is true or false? We just need to apply one example. Later we have to decide. Okay, so let's take one example. 7, 9, 5. So let's add it. We are going to get 21, which means that 21 is odd number. So we say it is false statement. The sum of two odd numbers and one even number is even. So here also same, what you have to do, you have to take one example. Let's take two odd numbers 3 and 5 and one even number 8. Let's add all this. We are going to get 16. 16 is even number. So we say the statement is true. The product of three odd numbers is odd. Here also same. We just need to do with one example. Let's take 3, 7, 9. So when we are multiplying, we are going to get 189. That is odd number. So it is true. The product of three odd numbers is odd. If an even number is divisible by 2, the quotient is always odd. It is false statement because always it cannot be even, because when we see 8 divided by 2 we get 4, which is even. So we say the statement is false. All prime numbers are odd. This is also false because we have 2, which is prime, and it is even number. So all the prime numbers cannot be odd because we have 2, which is even come prime. Prime numbers do not have any factors. False, because it will be having 1 and the number itself as the factor. Okay. Sum of two prime numbers is always even. So let's see. Suppose if we take 2 and 5, we are going to get odd number 2. So always it is not true. So we say sum of two prime numbers is always even is false statement. 2 is the only even prime number. Yes, that is true. Next, all even numbers are composite numbers. False, because 2 is a prime number. The product of two even numbers is always even. So let's take 2 and 4, which are even numbers, and when we are doing product, we are going to get even number only. So we say this statement is true. Next, the numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. See here when we observe 13 and 31. Here 1, 3, 1, 3. Same digits it's having. Both the numbers. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. Very, very easy. Here are the examples. 17, 71. Both are prime numbers and having same digits. 37, 73. 79, 97. Write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. Very, very easy. Okay, so we have to separate the prime and composite numbers less than 20. So here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19 are the prime numbers. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20 are the composite numbers less than 20. We have separated and written as per the question. What's the greatest prime number between 1 and 10? Quite easy question. Okay, so when we take the prime numbers, these are below 10. It will be 2, 3, 5, and 7. Here, the greatest prime number between 1 and 10 is obviously 7. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, share it, and subscribe my channel Math Mantra by Tiffany Gari Radha. And the continuation will be done in part 2. Please watch it. Thank you.